Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing some stereo Bluetooth over-ear studio headphones. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're taking a closer look at the OneOdio A70 wireless Bluetooth stereo headphones. And fun fact, I've actually reviewed this exact headphones back basically last year. The video did really well. A lot of people had a lot of questions, and I think my review was pretty sufficient. But I wanted to bring this product back up because obviously there's been a few changes. Hopefully within a year, they might have upgraded the system. So I'm definitely just going to take a closer look at it and give you guys a more professional review and overtake of this product. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment, enjoy the video, leave a like, and then also share this out to anybody who may be interested in a pair of headphones. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more details and specifications about it, that kind of stuff will be down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to get, to buy this exact product or look at all the different variants and stuff like that. I'll include that down below in the description as well. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, we actually have two variants, but actually I have three variants. So obviously I have the one I reviewed, right? So the one I reviewed, I also have the black variant, and then this one's a black and gold variant. But we're going to take a closer look at all these three different variants you can actually purchase with OneOdio. But let's just take a look at and unbox one of them. So this is how the front of the box looks like. It just says OneOdio. This is the A70 Fusion wireless plus DJ headphones, and we also have some other specifications and details which you guys can take a pause and look at. But let's just proceed with the unboxing. So I'm going to crack this box open, pull back, there we go, and you're instantly greeted with a drawstring bag. So we're just going to pull this out and take a look at all the other contents that are inside the packaging. So inside this bag, you guys can see this is where they included all these different cables, 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter audio jack, but this does come with a microphone included. Next up, we have a standard 3.5 millimeter to 6.35 millimeter audio jack. But let's take a look at the last remaining cable. This is actually our USB type A to micro USB cable, and this is for charging these headphones because they're also wireless. And then we also have our user manual and just a warnings/cautions manual, so you can definitely take a look at these to get more details about these headphones. But now let's take a closer look at the headphones themselves. So I'm just going to move this off to the side because we're going to actually open this up. So let's open the drawstring bag, and wow, look at that, guys. They added a lot of padding to this cushioning right here, and we also have OneOdio imprinted on the top right here. We have our R side, which is obviously our right side, and then our L for our left side of these headphones. And then looking at the different ports that are included, this is our standard 6.35 millimeter audio port, our 3.5 millimeter audio jack. We also have all our different buttons on this side, so the volume up and down, and we also have our power button in the very middle right there. And then we have our standard micro USB port for charging these headphones up when we need to juice them up. Now let me show you guys the differences with this variant. So this variant is also the same thing, it's the same style, setup, and everything. All the ports are the same and everything. It's just different colors. So like this one's gold. You can see that there's gold on the top, and I've actually utilized this a lot in a lot of different events and stuff for DJing. So I like the gold look. And now let me actually take out this variant. These ones actually come in silver but brown. You guys can see the padding's brown, but it's still the same setup and everything. Everything's the same throughout. It's just the silver look look really stands out in my opinion. So depending on your taste or your color preferences, you may go for one of these options. So they all should perform the same. They're all the same headphones, it's just different colors you can actually get. So with that being said, why don't we actually proceed to testing out and also, you know, demonstrating these headphones just to see how they perform. The first thing that we're going to test out with these headphones is the sound quality through an aux cable. So I'm going to put this on my head now. And right off the bat, there is a little bit of noise canceling. It obviously does not no emphasis on noise canceling with these headphones, but I can hear or at least experience like my backgrounds and my surroundings being a little bit less noticeable. So if you're looking for some noise canceling, you do get a little bit with these headphones. And since my phone utilizes a dongle, I need to plug this into the dongle and then come over to my phone and actually connect it to my phone. So right now what we're gonna do is actually do a demonstration of these headphones with an aux cable connected to them. So I'm gonna click on play now, and we're gonna gradually increase the volume. But so far it doesn't sound too bad. And I'm gonna increase it to max volume so we can actually give a taste of how the music is at max volume. Okay, max volume. Yeah, it's not bad at all, honestly. These headphones do perform really nicely. You know, even from when I did first review these headphones, they sound really nice. So let me increase this. Take this off. You guys can see there's a lot of dynamic to the music. I can hear all the different, you know, aspects of the song, the mids, the lows, and the highs, which are really good with headphones. But with these headphones, I would say there's an emphasis to the bass stuff. But you guys kind of get the point. I'm gonna pause this, and now what we're gonna do is actually take off the jack, and we're gonna actually test out the Bluetooth connectivity with these headphones. In order to actually pair up these headphones to your phone, you actually need to power them on. And the power button's off to this side right here. We're gonna hold it down, and we should see a blue and red light flashing somewhere. Let's see. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see that blue and red light flashing, but that shows that it's ready to pair up to a device. So now let's actually go over to my phone. We're gonna go to Bluetooth, and we're gonna actually connect these headphones to my phone. So let's go down, and you guys can see it says OneOdio A70. We're gonna pair up to them. Pair, there we go. And it should be connected. All right, so we have another song pulled up. I'm gonna click play, and we're just gonna quickly listen to it as well. This song's gonna take a while to kind of build up, but I just wanna see how good the dynamics of the music is, you know? Not bad. Not bad at all, honestly. Let me give you guys a sound sample. And you guys can see these headphones perform really well for the price that they were, you know, asking to purchase these headphones. So I really have no complaints with these headphones. You know, they do a good job balancing everything. And like I mentioned, if you want an emphasis on the bass, use an auxiliary cable. But if you want less emphasis on the bass, use Bluetooth mode. And you also have media buttons on the headphones themselves, so I can actually tone up and tone down the volume by just clicking on the buttons on the remote. And you guys can see on my phone, the volume does go down when I click on the volume down button. And if I want to increase it, I can increase it by clicking the volume up button as well. So you guys kind of get the point. And what we're gonna do now is actually do a microphone test with these headphones, and just to see how the microphone sounds like. And right now, you guys should be able to be hearing the audio being captured from the microphones that are actually built in to these headphones. How does the audio sound like? Is it loud and direct? Is it static-like? Is it hard to listen to me or understand what I'm saying? Or does it sound robotic, like a lot of, you know, microphones that a lot of people use for those Zoom conferences and earbuds that they use sound like, you know? Or does it do a good job of, you know, minimizing all the background noise, but also still having the emphasis on my own voice and not making it sound unrealistic? Hopefully it sounds decent. We can even move my phone off to the side, and you guys can see. And hopefully, the range and the connectivity and the signal's still really strong with these headphones, and it's not breaking out. And yeah, so I think you guys kind of get the point with the test. And I'm going to listen back to it and then give you guys my 2 cents on how I feel about the sound quality. I just listened back to the audio, and I gotta say, these headphones do a pretty decent job of actually canceling out a lot of the background noise. It does sound a little bit robotic with the microphones, but it's not entirely bad. It actually does a really good job of still making me sound realistic. So overall, the microphones on board of of these headphones, I should say, do a fantastic job of capturing your audio. And you also have this auxiliary, 3.5 to 3.5 aux cable that I showed you guys earlier in the unboxing that has a mic port. So if you want to, you can actually get better audio through this cable as well. We're not going to test it since this video is kind of getting too long, but overall the microphones are really decent with these headphones. What I'm going to do right here is, if I have a clip of me testing these out with DJ equipment, I'll include a clip right here. Alright, so what we're going to do now is actually test out the OneOdio A70 Fusion headphones. If you guys watched my first review of these headphones, I did mention I was going to include a DJ test, but for some reason I actually never included that clip. So I'm going to fulfill that promise and actually give you guys a demonstration with these headphones with professional DJ equipment now. So what I'm going to do is actually put on these headphones. So let's get some music playing, and what I'm going to do is actually kind of mix 2 songs together here and show you guys the benefits of actually having headphones on when you're DJing, because you can actually listen to your music and not have the audience listen to whatever you're trying to prep up next. So let's kind of establish this song a little bit. And right now, what I'm going to do is actually start prepping this song, and you guys won't be able to actually hear the song that I'm actually prepping up because, it's queued up to my headphones. Okay. It's good. And what I also like about these headphones, the 180-degree swivel. So if I wanted to, I could put this onto my chest, just like so. And I don't actually have to take off these headphones. Have one in like this, have one out like that, So there's a lot of ways you can actually make use of these headphones. But let me start the mix. So I'm slowly blending in the next song, and you guys will start to hear it. You guys can hear it's starting to blend to the next song. That's the benefit of actually having headphones, because the audience didn't hear me prep up that song. And you guys can see that was a smooth transition to the next song. There we go. And now you guys can see the next song is playing. And no gap between those 2 songs. Everything was smooth, just fluid, And that's what, the benefit of headphones, of having headphones are. You get to actually do a lot of things behind the scenes that the audience is not picking up on. But yeah, overall, these headphones do a fantastic job. The audio is really loud and direct. I can give you guys a sound sample if you want, just to show you guys, how loud these headphones are. But yeah, very loud, direct. There's no really any distortion with these headphones. So if you want to use it professionally with professional equipment, you can do so with these headphones. But let me turn down the music though, because I think you guys kind of get the point of I'm trying to get across. Let me pause the music. And yeah, overall these headphones do a fantastic job. And right now, what we're gonna do is actually move over to the final opinions and remarks and end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about the OneOdio A70 wireless Bluetooth headphones? Well, like I said, guys, like honestly, you are really getting a lot of good value with these headphones. I did actually, like I mentioned, review these over a year ago, and I'm still sticking up to how good with these headphones actually sound. They sounded good back then, and they still sound good right now. If you're looking for a pair of budget headphones to use for a lot of different events, or not events, but a lot of different scenarios, you know, like just normal audio listening, or for instance like me being a DJ, I've actually used these headphones to listen to the music before, you know, playing out loud. You know, these headphones have a wide range of different possibilities and ways you can make use of them. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and then also share this out to anybody who may be interested in a pair of wireless Bluetooth headphones. Also, if you're a company or business wanting to potentially work with me, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you're anybody who needs any assistance with these headphones, you guys can greatly reach out to my business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you actually want to check out this product or get more details and specifications about it, that kind of stuff will be down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying these headphones. And then also I will include my previous review to these headphones if you want to take a look at it. But with that being said, we are going to conclude the video right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making this episode, and I hope to see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.